Mr. Strandos, I have one pitch for you. I'm a live stream. Okay, I'm a live streamer.
Okay.
And you have all these streamers,
Yeah.
like myself. I'm Joy of Everything, Aiden Ross.
Yeah.
And it's very popular. Would you ever consider having a live stream on Netflix?
That's interesting.
Have you ever been pitched that before?
No.
Oh,
But who knows?
come
We're
on,
doing
keep going.
I'm Joy of Everything on TikTok.
live
I do
NFL on
going.
Christmas Day. You never know.
I do live celebrity events,
Ah.
premieres. I cover all the Netflix stuff at Egyptian. I think it'd be
I'll see you on the carpet. We'll flesh it out.
next time.
I'll put you
Thanks,
in.
Ted.
Damn, it feels good to be
He
a
asked my
gangster.
name, shook my hand. That could be good, guys. I'm digging this guy's vibe. I'm digging the Sarandos. I'm gonna end the note on that night.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Your ideas are not protected, okay? So, I'm Attorney Candace, and let's talk about the pros and cons, the do's and the don'ts, the wills if you won't, when you have an idea and you are interested in pitching your idea, okay? Now, what this young man did was brave, it was creative, it was everything you want to see in a go-getter, awesome. And I'm not sure if he actually got the deal with Netflix to bring this to life, because fast forward now, it's November 15th, and Netflix is in fact streaming live events because they're streaming the Mike Tyson fight today. So I hope that this particular creator actually was involved in this process, actually got paid. However, that is normally not the case when you pitch ideas to these big companies, all right? So be very careful when it comes to sharing your ideas with other people, especially big companies, because a lot of times these big companies, they like to smash the little people. And so they'll take your ideas, not pay you anything, bring those ideas to fruition, and then you're sitting on the sideline like, hey, I gave them that idea. That was my idea. But the thing about it is, these big corporations, they understand, because they have a legal team, they understand that ideas are not copyrightable, okay? Ideas do not in and of themselves have any type of intellectual property protection, okay? So anybody can take any idea and go on and profit off of it, okay? So be very careful of pitching. Just this guy was just ran up to the Netflix officer or whatever and pitched his idea. There's nothing in place, no guarantees that this guy is actually gonna do business with him or anything like that. Now, if you know this creator and he actually does have a deal with Netflix and everything worked out, write it in the comments, let me know, because I'm rooting for him, okay? But on a common sense level, on an everyday basis, what's really going out here in the community, especially with the Black and brown community, a lot of y'all ideas be getting stolen, I've heard so many horror stories where people coming to me as an attorney for help of people sharing their ideas with the bank to get a loan. And then somehow, magically, another company's coming out with their idea and the bank is the only person they shared it with, right? So what do you do when you're trying to pitch your idea but you want to protect it, okay? You're going to have the person that you're going to share the idea with sign a contract. And I know, you're probably thinking, well, these big corporations, they're not going to sign a contract for me. Yeah, they will, okay? If you go about the channels correctly to schedule a meeting with their team under the notion that you have something innovative that will help bring them money, that will help advance their company, yeah, they'll schedule a meeting with you, they'll sign that contract, right? But what you want your contract to say is, it's not just a non-disclosure, but you want a provision in the contract that basically says, I'm going to disclose an idea to you. I have proof of the idea that I'm about to disclose. Once this idea is disclosed to you, you agree that you will not use my idea, okay? Unless we come to a separate agreement authorizing you to use my idea for X amount of money that we will work out at that time. But then you put the provision in there also that says, in the event that you do not follow this contract and you actually use my idea without my permission, without any additional negotiations or contracts with me, basically if they try to steal your idea, okay, then you have a provision in the contract that basically says, then you have to pay me X amount of dollars or X amount of royalties or whatever, okay? So you basically put them in a position where they can't steal your idea, okay? If you randomly see them on TV using your idea, or you randomly come across a blog or something with them implementing your idea, you just pull out that handy dandy contract and you go ahead and file your breach of contract lawsuit, okay? But that's one of the easiest way to protect your ideas other than just keeping them to yourself. So be careful, be a go-getter, continue to be a go-getter, but just always remember that there is high risk in pitching your ideas without having any type of boundaries or securities or protections for you and your ideas, And especially my Black people, all right? Our ancestors and stuff, have been having ideas since the beginning of time that have been stolen and profited off of from other people for forever, okay? So this is especially important for people of African descent, because we know we're always coming up with brilliant things, brilliant ideas. And so you want to make sure that if you are going to pitch, that you have contracts in place with the people who you are pitching to, okay? Now, if you don't really need to pitch or need the money or whatever, then I say that, you take other avenues to bring your ideas to life. Now, obviously, in this guy's case, he specifically wanted to pitch to Netflix because he wanted to do live streaming, particularly on their platform. So that's different. But a lot of you guys have ideas for new inventions and things like that, and you're going out here, doing like crowdfunding and stuff like that, and then you're going on shows like Shark Tank and you're pitching and all this stuff. Well, when you do that, you're opening yourself up and you're becoming vulnerable for other people to take your ideas, okay? And so in that type of situation, if you have a new invention or something like that, there are stronger protections other than just the contract to help you. If you have some type of new invention, go immediately and get a patent for it, okay? That way, when you are pitching it and stuff, you have your patent for it. Your patent is in the U.S. database, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office database. Nobody can steal that, okay? So you're good to go. So what my boy Corporate Entertainment, what he say? Be safe and stay dangerous. All right, like and share this video with someone who you feel like could really benefit off this. And then if you need help with any type of ideas, any type of intellectual property, be sure to use the link in my bio and book a consult, and let's get started protecting your IP. Till next time. Oh, and I can't leave without showing y'all my latest outfit from the TikTok shop. It is super cute. I love this color. Okay, let's see if we can push y'all back a little bit. I love this color. The back is out just a little bit. It's like a little ballerina, whatever. It also has the shorts under it. So if you are interested in this dress, I will link it below. It was super cheap and super worth it because they got Black Friday deals already and it ain't even Black Friday. All right, till next time.